Simplify. 3x to the power 4, y cubed, all to the power 5. And if you notice there's the power of 5. That means you will write it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because of the power 5. And then you can multiply it. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 3 to the power 5, which is 243. X to the power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x to the power 4 times 5. So the 4 times 5 is 20. So it becomes x to the power 20. Y to the power 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y cubed to the power 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. So your answer is 243, x to the power 20, y to the power 15. Expand and simplify. 5x bracket 4x plus 2 minus 2x bracket 3x minus 9. So you want to remove the bracket. 5x times 4x is 20x squared. 5 times 4 is 20. X times x is x squared. X times x is x squared, because that's 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So I got that. 5x times 2 is 10x. Minus 2x times 3x is minus 6x squared. Minus 2x times minus 9 is plus 18. Minus 2x times minus 9. Minus and minus would make a plus. From plus 18x. Collect the like terms. 20x squared minus 6x squared, it gives you 14x squared. 10x plus 18x gives you 28x. And you can factorize. 14x comes out of the bracket. You're left with x plus 2. Because 14x times x, it gives you 14x squared. 14x times 2, it gives you 28. So that is your answer. Given that y to the power 6 times y to the power n over y to the power 7 is equals to y to the power 12, work out the value of n. So it's divide by y to the 7. We take it to the right-hand side. Divide, it becomes times. So the y to the 7 comes there. It becomes times y to the 7. So y to the 6 times y to the n, and y to the 12 times y to the 7. If you notice, is y there, is y there, is y there, is y there. The base are all the same. So you add the power. 6 plus n is the same as 12 plus 7. Same as 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. And plus 6 goes to that side. It becomes minus 6. 19 minus 6, it gives you 13. So n is 13. And you can check your answer. If you put 13 there, 6 plus 13 is 19. 19 minus 7 is 12. That's how you check your answer. Solve the inequality. 9t minus 18 is less than 3t plus 6. Plus 3t goes to the left. It becomes minus 3t. Minus 18 goes to the right. It becomes plus 18. 9 take away 3 is 6t. 6 plus 18 is 24. It's times 6. So you take it to the other side, it becomes divide. 24 divided by 6 is 4. So t is less than 4. A is equals to that expression. B is equals to that. Find the LCM of A and B. Give your answer as a product of powers of prime numbers. So one way to do it, you look at take the biggest one. It's 2 to the 3 there. You use 2 to the 5. 3 to the 4 is the biggest. 5 to the 4 is the biggest. And then you have 7 and 13. Or you can find the LCM of 7 and 13, which is 91. And then you can write it as 2 to the 5 times 3 to the 4 times 5 to the 4 times 7 times 13. Or you can use this formula. LCM is HCF times the rest. So you take A, you expand it. There's 5 of them, 5 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3 there. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 13 is just 1. You go to B. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2. 1, 2. And there's the 7. Now you find the HCF first. So these 2 will come to that. These 2 will come to that. These 2 will come to that. These 2, 3 will come to that. These 2, 3 will come to that. These 2, 3 will come to that. These 2, 5 will come to that. These 2, 5 will come to that. So that gives you 1, 2, 3, 2 to the 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 cubed. 1, 2, 5 squared. And that's the highest common factor in prime factorization. So what we have taken is this pair, 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 this pair. What are we left with? We're left with 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 13. So LCM is that answer there, which is the same as the HCF times the rest. So the rest is this 2, 2, which is that 2. This 3, which is that 3. This 2 5s, which is that 2 5s. This 7, which is that 7. And this 13, which is that 13. Now you can count them. 3 plus 2, it gives you 5. 3 plus 1, 3, it gives you 4. 2 plus 1, 2, it gives you 4. And they have 7, and they have 13. That's how you do that. Gladys has a sale in her shop. She decreases all the normal price by 15%. The normal price of an armchair was £660. Work out the sale price of the armchair. 100% is £660. So you can find 1%. You divide by 100. So you divide by 100. You divide by 100. So 1% is £6.60. So 85% you times by 85. You times 85. You times 85. That gives you £561. Or you can do 100 minus 15 is 85. And you do 85 divided by 100 times that, you still get the same answer. Here is an isosceles triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of A. See that D is the middle there. And this angle is 75. Work out the perimeter of triangle ABC. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Perimeter is going from A to B, B to C, and then back to that. That's perimeter. 1, 2, 3. We need to find AB. We use that angle. Sine 75 is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 75 is 14 over AB. You take AB to that side, it becomes AB times sine 75. And AB is 75, goes there, 14 divided by sine 75, which gives you 14.49. AB is the same as BC, so 14.49. AD, that's a right angle triangle. AD is the same as 14.49 squared minus 14 squared, and square root 3.7512. but AD is half of AC. So AC is 2 times AD. So multiply by 2, you get 7.5026. Perimeter is AB, which is this one, plus BC, which is this one, plus AC, which is that one. And you get 36.49, which is 36.5 centimeters to 1 decimal place.